Yadipendo mama u kama na goal. Yadipendo mama u. You know, Kinkota, you are not my mbegu. You are not my seed. I'm going really to consult your mother where, and I must do a DNA test for you. You are not my son. Because the traits I'm seeing, hey!
It's Lucky Boy again from Mr. Lee Studios. Niko hapa na mzazi mwenye mtoto wake alidhulumiwa na mtoto mwenyewe. So let's get more information from the mzazi. So kama we mzazi mwenye mtoto wake alidhulumiwa, what's your take gimano timorenya nenya thini?
So me as a parent of this son, Eli Nyongesa, I'm really going to Kokomatek Nesirikal to give justice for my child. You know, my son here the son is so innocent, as you can see. Look even what he's doing. Huyu mtoto ako innocent, and I want justice for my son, because that mother is a 33 years old mother and a 16-year-old. You cannot tell me that a 16-year-old can convince a 33-year-old mother to do such gimanotimore. No. I'm really condemning that in the highest order. And I'm so flabbergasted. So government, come out there and get justice for my son. Hey.
Oh. But kwa chenye tunapata kwa hizo videos zina trend mitandaoni, tunaona kama mtoto wako alikuwa anaenjoy.
Anaenjoy manade. Have you been paid bwana? Wewe ni journalist? Are you a journalist? Have you learned the ethics, law and ethics of journalism? I enjoy manade. No, this son is so innocent. My son is so innocent. Look, even now he's praying. And you are telling me that he was enjoying. Hizo vitu ni AI. You know, nowadays the world is so developed, the world is so developed, bwana. AI is full everywhere. And you cannot tell me a 16-year-old cannot cooperate. You cannot tell me a 16-year-old was cooperating as such. That was not my son. I know my son. Najua mtoto wangu wangenya tina waberu bwana. You cannot tell me that is my son. And so I need justice as a parent. Yes, and I'm really calling out for the police and the government itself to arrest that man to tuwe mwaka mzima kia.
Okay, ka unasema mtoto wako alikuwa innocent. Let us hear his opinion for what he has to say about it.
Okay. Now get
okay.
Anyo one.
Okay, so kama we mtoto mwenye nasemekana ulidhulumiwa. So what happened? Because as we can see from the video, it's like he was enjoying the thing. So can you tell us more about it?
Ilikuwa saa saba hivyo, huyo mkolo akaingia amevaa ka skin tight kamini. Mimi nani akanisukuma hivyo kwa keja, nikaingia ndani. Kuingia ndani akaniweka kwa kitanda. Dakika mbili hivi, hizo manyonyo hizo manini, msogombo ndio hiyo. Mimi nani nikawakilisha. Mimi nilikuwa naomba tu serikali kama wasifunge huyo mama. Kwanza ile kanyash. Wasimfunge tafadhali, naomba tu serikali. Hata kama inaweza kuwa wiki moja, tunafanya mara 3. Nimeomba tu serikali wasimfunge.
Magita ngoma nyologi. What are this bwana? Are you really my son? Are you really my son bwana?
Hata wiki moja mara 2.
Bimkot ka Nyongesa.
Wacha tu siku mbili.
Siku mbili mada. Yani, what's really happening? What's happening in this generation bwana? You mean you are enjoying? I'm here defending you and you are telling me you are enjoying and you want that mother to be free.
Wacha tu wasimfunge.
Wasimfunge manade. Oh my God. Adipendo mama u kama na goal. Adipendo mama u. You know, Kinkota, you are not my mbegu. You are not my seed. I'm going really to consult your mother where, and I must do a DNA test for you. You are not my son. Because the traits I'm seeing, hey!